I had to do a video on this because different vehicles have different specifications. You cannot use a rule of thumb. And here's another one of those that have an extremely low superheat. You've noticed on some vehicles I do, if you've been paying attention, some vehicles will have a superheat that ranges up in the 30s, some in the 20s, some in the teens. Then there's a few of them. Here's one that goes, we're right around 3 degrees superheat, and it's actually has sunk low a little bit towards almost zero. It was like 0.2 for a while, and then it hovered back up here. This is all controlled by a computer and sensors. So it just like pressures, you cannot use pressures as a gauge to measure whether a system is full or not. You cannot use a average superheat number or a subcooling number for vehicle to vehicle, because they differ between the manufacturer and the parameters that they have programmed into computers that uses sensors, especially on this as a variable displacement compressor, to actually change what you will see on your gauges for what the computer is commanding it to. Whether you're full or you're half empty, it'll give you really different readings. So you cannot use averages. This is why pressures don't mean anything anymore. And you cannot use one superheat number for all vehicles. You cannot use one subcooling number for all vehicles. It differs depending on the vehicle. All right, that's all I had to do. Was for those who do pay attention, this superheat is really down on the low end, but this is normal for this Audi here. All right, see you under these ambient operating conditions.